In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your WordPress site for SEO, a crucial step in boosting your site's visibility and attracting more visitors. So, whether you're a novice or someone with a bit more experience, stick around as we dive into some essential strategies and tips to make sure your website ranks well in search engines. First things first, we're going to install an SEO plugin. Having a reliable SEO plugin is vital as it streamlines many of the tasks required for optimizing your site. Now, it's important to choose just one SEO plugin and avoid installing multiple options. Using more than one can create conflicts and complications. When it comes to selecting the right plugin, consider Yoast SEO, which is an excellent choice for beginners due to its user-friendly interface. If you're looking for more advanced features, Rank Math might be more your style. And of course, there's the all-in-one SEO option. To get started, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Click on Plugins, then Add New. In the search bar, type in the name of your chosen SEO plugin, whether that's Yoast SEO or another. Once you find it, click Install and then Activate to set it up on your site. Now that the plugin is installed, let's configure it. If you've chosen Yoast SEO, start by navigating to the Yoast SEO section in your dashboard. Click on General, followed by First Time Configuration. This is where you'll make essential settings adjustments. One of the first things you'll define is the site type. Are you representing a person or an organization? This helps search engines understand the nature of your site. Next, add any social profiles associated with your site to enhance social media visibility and engagement. While you're here, it's also a good practice to optimize your SEO data. This ensures that your site's data is clean and structured for search engines. Enable helpful features like XML sitemaps, which aid search engines in crawling your site efficiently, breadcrumbs to enhance navigation, and schema to improve the richness of search results through structured data. Moving on to an important aspect of SEO, structuring your URLs to be SEO friendly. You'll want to go to your WordPress dashboard again, and under Settings, you'll find Permalinks. Here, select the post name option. Choosing this format makes your URLs short, readable, and keyword-rich, which search engines and users alike appreciate. For example, a URL should look something like this: https yoursite.com/sample post. This not only improves the appearance of the URLs, but also makes it easier for search engines to understand and for users to remember. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to optimizing your WordPress site for better search engine rankings. Stay consistent with these practices, and over time, you'll see your site's visibility and traffic begin to grow. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these tips helpful.